Hello again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with some leftover colors. I thought I had some more, but I'm not seeing them. I'll probably find them tomorrow. Anyway, so that's looking pretty gloppy, but it's not going to keep me from squeezing some Anita's White Metallic in there and adding it to the colors I have left over already. I think I'm not going to risk any more of that. So I like to use Anita's White Metallic because it's inexpensive and pearlescent as a base a lot of times. That's my Folk Art color shifting purple. I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I've got plenty of paint to cover my edges if I want to. I'm going to use a little bit of Venetian blue. A color I seldom use, which is the blue color shifting color. I have some color shifting red from Folk Art. Kind of think I want some of this yellow. Now I'm doing regatta colors. I did grab the magenta. I do have some Anita's White Metallic with the Venetian blue in it. And I want to use some of this iridescent gold. How far can I go? Good question. You know what? I think I'm craving some of this electric blue from Arteza. What does it matter if it won't come out? And then I'm going to put some black in there because I can. I want some orange too. I'm being called to orange. I've been trying to ignore it, but it's not working. And maybe some more gold. Yep, the orange is good. I got Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I have not used any hot orchid today. That is a weird day. And my Meeden black. Oh, and it's not coming out very well. I've got some Arteza purple. Not sure what color this is actually. But I am having a good time putting paint on canvas. Let's hope it turns into something worthwhile. Could be. I like the black marks when I get them. I thought if I had to, I would smear with a tool. I like to rock that and force it to roll down the edge. And then when it gets to the other end, I like to push it back in and scrape off the paint. These are really different colors, kind of dramatic. And I like it. You know what I like the most though? I like that orange. And I'm being called to, yes, my favorite. Well, one of my many favorites is the Amethyst from Artist Loft. And maybe a little bit more Anita's, just to make paint flow to paint. And I might get to keep a little bit of white, or I might not. Comic book colors. Cool. It's times like this I want to whip out my chain. I definitely like shuffling the colors right back in. Oh, I left myself a thumb hold. That's always a good thing. I have a nice orange heart there that's about to go away, unless I'm very clever. I see a lump, and I have tweezers to remove it. I also have some cells and more paint from my container. We'll cover that edge just perfectly. And this one also maybe. So I don't have to tip anymore, and that would be okay with me. And I've got a little more paint still on my edge catcher, which is perfect fill. Oh, that's a different channel. Somebody got that. Just going to use that right there along that edge. Really tempted to pull out the cell activator and a little tool and just wind my way right through. I'm going to grab a straw. I was going to say and fill in, more fill in. I'm going to leave my edge catcher just like it is with the paint on it. Use the paint that's left on my spatula. Whoa, I got a spider in my painting. Where did you come from? And you are going to die. I'm sorry about that, spider. That's very strange. There's a slow-moving spider. Not sure where it could have come from. So there's my orange heart. Do I want to keep my orange heart? I guess I do. So I have cell activator right here and a little round tool. I want a tiny round tool. I've got some really pretty cells down here and some more up there. Maybe that means I should definitely torch for a second if I don't flip things all over the place. I kind of want to put some more black on this side, so that would be the best place for me to motivate as far as doing any cell activating. And it's not plugged up, which is always a good start. So I'm going to smear and I got some great colors. And some beautiful cells. Wicked. You can tell I lived in Maine for a long time. Wicked cells. I want a tiny little one of these. Do I have a tiny one? I have a pointy one. Oh, I do. I have a tiny one. If it's bent in the right direction, it'll work. If it's not, it might be a problem. If you don't float it, it digs down to canvas. I'm just going to wipe that off. Here's the one I wanted to try. My cell activator is Amsterdam Black, my regular pouring recipe all mixed in, and then pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax added. Oh, look at that. Wow, that was cool. Really, really neat. It's still reacting. Super cool. Nice big cells. Not so sure about that. But I think it's still going to sell, so it'll be alright in a second. I'm sure of that. I have a lot of paint on there. I'm not sure about that orange heart anymore. It's kind of sticking out like a sore thumb. Maybe I'll just be odd. Put some colors I like scattered around here and there. I do use GAC 800 by Golden on all of my paint mixtures, which means I can leave my paint heavy, which is a good thing because this is pretty heavy paint. It'd be nice if this were up, and it's not. Not yet anyway. I've definitely got the bug for adding some more of this cell activator. That's good. I like that. That draws the eye really in a place I like. I appreciate. These little tools. You can find these little tools by asking me or looking for tools in one of my videos. I'm going to spiral that purple thing out if I can. That'd be really neat if I could do it. Yeah, a lot neater than I was. So it's kind of a weird thing, and I'm okay with that. A few little spirals never hurt any of my artworks. I thought about making them all into hearts, which means I would just go and I do it because I can. I'm liking the purple in there so much. It's really tempting to see if I can get away with adding a few more dots, because it's iridescent and color shifting, and it will be absolutely beautiful when it dries. You know what? I'm really happy with this, and if I wasn't perfectly happy with it, I could embellish it with a, that's canvas, with a white acrylic pen. I have some I got from Arteza. I recommend them highly. They're a ball, especially if you're used to doing Zentangle. It ought to be perfect. I'm trying to figure out a way to shore up the back of the canvas so you're not pressing on it quite as much. But there we go. I'm all done. You're all done. Please share my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up when you're feeling generous. I really appreciate you watching longer. If you want to watch any more videos, there's over 2,000. There's over 2,100 of them. I'm working on 2,100. 2,100 and some, to be honestly exact. Not really. Sort of, kind of. Anyway, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my Linktree link below the video. My Amazon link is there. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. I'm going to try and zoom in. It's a funhouse ride. It's really cool. There's all kinds of wild colors and weird shapes in there. And my camera is not cooperating, so I'm just going to move that forward. And then I'm going to torch. And tell you guys, pixels.com, Far North America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. All those links are on the Linktree. I'm really glad I used the cell activator, even though I didn't use a whole lot. This is really abstract expressionist. I wish I could show it to you up close because it's got so many really cool little zones now that I use the cell activator. Really, really sweet little piece. Woo! Thank you guys for joining me. I love you all. Thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. Check my community board for tomorrow's video. I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. also. If you are looking for some high-end, beautiful, investment quality clothing, please look at my Legallerist, the top link on the Linktree. It's clothing made in Montreal with some of my favorite designs on it. and they are gorgeous dresses and kimono tops and so on. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm happy to answer your questions, and like I said before, I have links for you. Teespring clothing is now spring clothing, and it is what is seen below the video, and if you click on any of those items, it will bring you to a store with lots more stuff. My paint pouring recipe is below the video, along with my cell activator recipe. And I'm not sure what I'm forgetting. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I sell my artwork, and if you want to reach me, my email address is tucked nicely right below Show More. When you click Show More under the link tree, you'll find it. And if you need it, if you're not watching on something where you can easily find my link tree, just ask me in comments and I'll give you my email address. It is as follows: EASPB. Those are Expressionist Art Studio. EASPB, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. So, I love you guys. I hope to see you tomorrow again. Thank you for all the kind words and compliments. And if you'd like to win a painting, there is a monthly drawing, and you can see the exhibition video includes the prizes for that monthly drawing on the end screen video in the last 20 seconds of every video. Wow, there's another little heart over the edge. I can't show you or I'll dump my painting. All right. I love you guys. I think I said I'll see you anon, but I'm going to say it again. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.